Um, I'm doing a video series on Torque 3D. So my project is called Medivel Titans. Uh, the company is called Saint Software, and the hosting project is IndieDB. So IndieDB supports a lot of features. You can download videos, images, tutorials, etc. I'm doing a tutorial series on the stuff that I found. So I'm also doing a bit of tutorial to explain is if you follow the tutorials from the beginning, you learn step by step a bit. I usually choose videos that are very short or that are very objective, so you can watch all these videos in a couple of hours and start tweaking a bit. You have that advantages. So if you come here back to the main page, you can see in the right panel the platforms. I'm counting on launching the game for Linux. The graphic engine, which is Torque 3D, which supports Linux and is free. It's it's a engine that is very used at the moment. So I'm going to cover the installation in this tutorial for Torque 3D, since it doesn't have that much documentation and stuff. So let's get starting with the installation on Torque 3D. If you wish other features and other stuff, you can also find here all the software that the project uses. It's all free and it's all open source. So in here you come to the download source on GitHub Social Coding. You come to this page. It is the development is very updated. You can see that the last update was 6 hours ago. It's very active project. And you go down to the downloads page and you see this page here. So we have the last version, which is 3.7. You can download it here or in here, and you have the project manager, which is in here, the 2.2 version, which is supposedly to be inside with the engine when you download it. You also need a DirectX software development kit from Microsoft. It's also free, you can download it. You're also going to need the Visual Studio 2010. The Torque 3D also support the 2012, but it requires Windows 7. I only have Vista, so I'm using this one here, and that's all you need to start up. So once you finish download, in here you should see a project manager. You are going to open the project manager, and you should click on new, create a full template, which is a template that includes everything. If you choose empty, it's a template more for professionals, people that already know what they are doing. They have the game assets ready, so you are going to click full and create. I'm not going to create because it's not necessary. I already have my project created. So once you finish create, you come here to generate your build files. You click here, build. I'm going to click just to show you start to building, but I'm going to cancel because I already have my project built. And you go to my projects, you're going to build files. You can see here the versions, and you click here, and you, for example, click here the version that you need. Click here and this is going to open the project to the Visual Studio. Going to take a little bit to load or start loading. Once it finishes all loading, you click build solution, and the project is built and you can start using. So I already have that step. You can see it here at the bottom. It's loading all the files to build them. So our project is once that the steps are finished, you can click here on the icon and you see this intro here. You click in the whole world editor and you will see this here. I already have my walls. So I'm already working on my walls, so I'm doing a lot of stuff. But this is the introduction. This is the installation on the engine. So in the next tutorial I'm going to cover more steps that are needed, like an intro on the world editor and an intro on Blender.